In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front fender liner on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 4 lug nuts. If your wheel is stuck on, leave 1 lug nut, thread it on. Using a saw face hammer, we're going to hit the rim on the back. Remove the wheel. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove the clips. Pop it out with a trim tool. There should be 1 clip on the bottom here. Ours is missing. If you have it, go ahead and remove it now. Using a 7mm socket, remove the small screw on the bottom. Your hardware could be slightly different. This car has been in an accident and has some new hardware in certain places. Using a T27, remove the bolt. Grab the fender liner and pull it out. Install the inner fender liner. Get it up into place. Go around and install all of the bolts and clips. You should have 1 more clip on the bottom. Ours is missing. If you have it, go ahead and install it. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.